Assure. Assure means भरोसा दिलाना. Assure, assured, assured. We are going to make sentences on going to, huh? So let's see. Then and the last you will have to make. So Sarika, we are mine is घुड़सवार.
Okay. So should I start? Is our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ji going to fly Afghanistan today? क्या हमारे क्या हमारे रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह जी आज अफगानिस्तान जाने वाले हैं? No, he is not going to fly over there today. नहीं, वे वहाँ आज नहीं जाने वाले हैं. So when is he going to fly over there? Second person said, I think he is going to fly over there day after tomorrow. So three na. Why? Why isn't he going to tomorrow? He is not going to tomorrow because some delegation is going to.
Sorry, come again.
Why isn't he going to fly tomorrow? वे कल क्यों नहीं जाने वाले हैं? He isn't going to fly tomorrow because some important work hasn't complete yet, so that's why he is not going to fly tomorrow.
Okay. So my verb is drive. Okay. So is Ritu going to drive all the way to Jabalpur? क्या रितु क्या रितु कार चला के जबलपुर जाने वाली है? Is it okay? जाने वाली है. No, she is not going to drive all the way to जबलपुर. नहीं, वह जबलपुर कार चलाकर नहीं जाने वाली है.
Ritu, you are unmute.
Yes, she is going to drive all the way to जबलपुर. हाँ, वह जबलपुर कार चलाकर जाने वाली है. And why she is going to drive all the way to जबलपुर? रितु वह क्यों कार चला के जबलपुर जाने वाली है? Actually, her parents has invited her for some function. That's why she is going to drive all the way to जबलपुर. दरअसल उनके पेरेंट्स ने उनको जबलपुर में किसी फंक्शन में बुलाया है, इसलिए वह जबलपुर कार चलाकर जाने वाली है.
Renu, वो why वाला आप come again for why WH sentence because
Why she is going to?
no.
Why
Sorry.
is she? Why is she going to drive all the way to जबलपुर? वह क्यों क्यों जबलपुर जाने वाली है ना? तो आंसर भी करूं. शी इज गोइंग टू. शुड आई आंसर और इज इट ओके?
My verb is ride. Is Bhavesh going to ride bicycle? Yes, he is going to ride bicycle. क्या भाविश साइकिल चलाने वाला है? हाँ, भाविश साइकिल चलाने वाला है. Where is Bhavish going to ride bicycle? Uh, he is going to ride bicycle in the walking street. भाविश बाइसिकल कहाँ चलाने वाला है? भाविश बाइसिकल वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट में चलाने वाला है. Done.
Okay, my verb is ride. I'm going to ride. I'm going to ride white horse. मैं in the evening. मैं सफेद घोड़े पर सवारी करने वाली हूँ. घुड़सवारी करने वाली हूँ. मैं सफेद घोड़े पर शाम को घुड़सवारी करने वाली हूँ. No, I'm not going to ride on white horse in the evening. मैं सफेद घोड़े पर शाम को सवारी नहीं करने वाली हूँ. Am I going to ride on white horse in the evening? क्या मैं शाम को सफेद घोड़े पर सवारी करने वाली हूँ? How am I going to ride on white horse in the evening? मैं कैसे शाम को सफेद घोड़े पर सवारी करने वाली हूँ? रितु.
ज्यादा समझ में आया नहीं यार, जितना आ रहा है उतना बोलते हैं, ठीक है. Assure, my verb is assure, भरोसा दिलाना. Is Renu is going to assure me that she is kill me.
पहले अफर्मेटिव, फर्स्ट पहला
हाँ.
अफर्मेटिव.
अच्छा, Renu is going to assure me that she is killing me. इसका आंसर देना है. Don't take otherwise यार, अभी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो रेनू ही मारेगी ना.
अरे यार कोई भी नहीं, सेंटेंस चेंज करो. नोबडी
You
विल
made
किल
her
यू.
as killer. Bloody
मेरे हाथ
killer.
में भी
रेनू का
नहीं.
कर देते.
ये देखो.
चलो रेनू का कर देते.
रेनू का क्या? आई एम रेडी.
ई माँ, माय गॉड, इसका आंसर सुन लो. नो, शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू अश्योर मी दैट शी इज किलिंग मी. ओके.
यस, यू आर ट्रू, राइट.
बाप रे, इतना बड़ा छुरा लेके कहाँ बैठी थी तुम क्लास में?
I think she is cutting fruits.
माय गॉड. ओके, उसके बाद क्या बनाना है? अफर्मेटिव हो गया, उसका आंसर हो गया, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन.
हाँ.
ओके. Is Renu is going to assure me that she is killing me?
Sorry.
Sorry.
अच्छा, दो बाबू. Is Renu going to assure me that she is killing me? इसका भी आंसर देना ना? नहीं, दे दे. ओके. No, she is not assure me that she is killing me. नहीं. तुम लोग का सर इतना स्ट्रांग है ना, इतनी जल्दी मुंडी हिलती ना, बनाने वाला भूल ही जाता क्या बोल. नो दैट. अरे यार, हम तीसरा बनाते. तीसरा क्या बनाना है? वाई.
WH. वाई नहीं, WH कोई भी.
कुछ भी. हाँ, वाई से वाई. शी इज गोइंग टू अश्योर.
Sorry.
वाई इज शी assure me that she's.
Why is she? Why is she
Why is she assure me?
going to?
हाँ, oh sorry. Why is she going to assure me that she's killing me? She is going to assure me that she's killing me because all the time I switch off my camera. That's why she's going to assure me that she's killing me.
I,
Okay, guys, all are done.
yes, sir. All
Yes.
are done.
Sarika, have I given you keep in touch?
Keep in touch. Yes, sir.
So you are a dark horse.
No, sir. You are a dark horse. No.
So this is today's idiom. Wherever you want to write, you can write. Do not sync with any interactive. Just write it down. Poonam, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sir, this sentence belongs to be present chapter.
Absolutely correct answer. Poonam, now you have to ask the next question related to this word to somebody else.
What is so in this sentence? Aparna,
Sorry, come again. What is?
what so in this sentence?
So, एक minute. अच्छा, so, okay. Um, so is a preposition. No? What is so in this sentence, Sarika?
The so is the conjunction here. Renu Bhabhi, what is the you in this sentence?
What is
Sorry,
you? हाँ
what is the subject in this sentence?
हाँ. You is the subject in this sentence. Poonam, what is are in this subject? Is there any helping verb in this sentence? Poonam?
No, Renu, there are no helping verb in this sentence. There is no helping verb in this sentence. Okay, Ritu, what is are in this sentence?
I think are is helping verb in this sentence. You are is Renu, what is are in this sentence?
Ritu, are is main verb in this sentence.
Okay.
And I have to ask Aparna, what is a in this subject? In this sentence, sorry.
Bhabhi, a is an article. A an article in this subject. Sarika, what is dark house? Horse in this subject sentence subject.
The dark is an adjective here, and horse is a noun here.
Can anybody guess the Hindi meaning of this sentence?
Yes,
सर
sir.
तुम तो छुपे
Can
रुस्तम
I?
निकले.
तुम तो छुपे हो।
Absolutely.
तो तुम तो
Sarika,
छुपे
use it in a sentence.
सर come again.
Start the creativity round. Use in a sentence. Practical sentence.
जी जी. One day when I was in a party, so there was a singing competition. There was a singing competition, and my son sang a very nice song there. So my one of my friends said ki wow Rudraksh, you sang so well, you are a dark horse. Sir, should I complete the process? No? Aparna di?
Whenever anybody in this era do something extraordinary, always we say, so you are a dark horse. जब कोई व्यक्ति कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी करता है यहाँ पे, तब हम उसको बोलते हैं यार तुम तो छुपे रुस्तम निकले। रेनू भाभी,
Once I reach in the puja, their competition, drawing competition, painting competition was going on. So I just sat there and I draw the Ganesh Ganpati there. So everybody was surprised to see, and they told me, "You are a dark horse." Poonam.
My husband, he always busy in his business. One day when he went to the picnic with his business colleagues, then he was playing cricket, and he did very excellent bowling there. So everyone was saying, "So you are a good dark house."
Poonam, speak one sentence with me. My hubby
My hubby
always
always
remains
remains
busy.
busy.
ये जो रिमेन क्रिया है दोस्तों, ये SEIS लगाने के लिए बड़ी खूबसूरत है, क्योंकि हम बी क्रिया में तो SEIS लगा ही नहीं सकते। आप जानते हैं BES लगाएंगे तो वो कोई शब्द तो बनेगा ही नहीं। तो ऐसी ही स्थिति के लिए बी के ठीक नीचे हम रिमेन क्रिया लिखवा दें। अगर आपको किसी सेंटेंस में डस लगाना है तो रिमेन लगाइए, बड़ा खूबसूरत लगेगा। SEIS लगाना है, रिमेन लगाइए। ING लगाना है, रिमेन में लगाइए। तो रिमेन वर्ब इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड इट इज synonym of be, remain, become, stay, get. They all are like draws like. Poonam is disconnect, now connected. Guys, let me confirm. Sarika, only by the indication, Sarika, tell me, I'm okay with it is given.
Yes, sir. You have already given.
Random shot,
Yes, sir.
now pay for it.
Yes, sir.
How to speak,
Yes, sir.
just for nothing.
Yes, sir.
What brings you here?
Yes, sir.
Drop in some time.
Yes, sir.
As it is.
Yes, sir.
Head and shoulders.
Yes, sir.
My foot.
No, sir.
This interactive sentence is used by generally ladies very much. I have written here 3 Hindi meanings. मेरे ठेंगे से, मेरी बला से, मेरी जूती से. Whichever is suitable for you, you can start making sentence. Sarika will start.
Okay, sir. One day, a very old maid of mine met me in the market. So I asked her, Tai, how are you? So she did not reply me, and actually she totally ignored me. So I thought ki she is very means I thought ki my foot मतलब मेरी
I'm giving you a very common movie example. Marry with you, my foot. शादी और तुमसे. आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग हिंदी, लेकिन वो इंग्लिश में बड़ा खूबसूरत लगता है. हीरोइन सेज मैरी विथ यू माय फुट. Okay, after some time you can make. Now who is ready?
I'm ready, sir. Hmm. Pakistan always requests to India, Bharat, ki meet me to discuss all matter of over friendship, but back to back he is sending the matlab back I mean back he is doing terror thing against the sentence. So Modi ji said my foot मेरे मतलब वो दोस्ती करने के लिए बात कर रहा पर मोदी जी बोलते हैं कि मेरी बला से
Okay.
नहीं फ्रेंडशिप विथ यू माय फुट तुमसे और दोस्ती मेरी बला से मेरी ठेंगा से like
Sir, should I? Okay, Ritu. After.
Okay, thank you, Renu. You want to going with movie? You want to going to movie with me, my foot? तुम मेरे साथ पिक्चर जाना चाहते हो मेरी बला से.
ऋतु बेटा, टू के बाद हमेशा क्रिया का पहला रूप आता, आईएनजी नहीं आएगा.
You want to go to movie with me, my foot?
अब तुम इसको हमारे सेंटेंस की जैसा भी बना सकती थी. मूवी विथ यू माय फुट. तुम्हारे साथ पिक्चर देखने मेरी ज्योति. रेनू.
Sir, I will keep on learning English. Whatever the other things think, my foot. मैं अंग्रेजी सीखती रहूंगी, जो मर्जी कोई भी सोचे मेरी बला से.
Sir, should I?
पूनम इज रेस्ट. पूनम इज रेस्ट.
Coffee with you, my foot.
Going dinner with you, my foot.
Coffee with Karan, my foot. Guys, let me ask Ritu first. Ritu, beta, which chapter is this? Sorry, which chapter does this sentence belong?
That sentence belongs to be present.
Wow. अब हम पूरा तुम्ही से पूछेंगे. ऋतु, what is the subject in this sentence?
There is
What is the subject in this sentence?
subject might is the subject in this sentence.
Correct. And what is the helping verb in this sentence?
There is no helping verb in this sentence.
Correct. What is the main verb in this sentence?
Is the main verb in this sentence.
What is right in this sentence?
Right. Right is extension? नहीं, object.
पूनम से पूछो तो।
Poonam, what is right in that sentence?
Right is adverb in this sentence.
पूनम रेनू से पूछो।
Renu, what is right in this sentence?
Right is adjective or noun in this sentence?
यहाँ एडजेक्टिव है दोस्तों, क्योंकि ये इसकी विशेषता बतला रहा है, ये सब इसकी विशेषता बतला रहा है, तो वो विशेषण है। Guys, you must have guessed the meaning of this.
Yes, sir, I know very well.
अच्छा,
This is my idiom. This is my
Ritu
favorite
ji always
idiom.
use this idiom.
जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस।
आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक थोड़ी सी चर्चा और करते हैं। जो ग्रामर से थोड़ा सा भी पूर्व परिचित हो वो मुझे बताए कि व्हाट इज माइट अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्रामर। माइट
Might is a
Sir, might is a
second
helping
form of
verb.
being.
Absolutely correct. Might is a helping verb. Everybody knows. May, might, can, could, should, blah, blah, blah. But guys, the beautiful thing is the helping verb is working here as Sarika, what is might?
Sir, might is a helping verb.
No, beta. अब क्वेश्चन
अच्छा, might is a noun here.
Yes. आगे पूछो किसी से।
जी, Aparna di, what is the Hindi meaning of might?
The Hindi meaning of might is
Do not take much time. Ask somebody else. Ask
Okay.
Ritu.
What is the Hindi meaning of might, Ritu?
No, I don't know. Renu, what is Hindi meaning of might?
The Hindi meaning of might should be हालांकि, बेशक, हालांकि. Okay, I have to ask Poonam, what is the Hindi meaning of might?
Might means अवश्य होना।
Sir, should I try?
Okay, Poonam, ask her.
Okay, Sarika, what is Hindi meaning of might?
The Hindi meaning of might should be Shakti or power. Sir, there is a one cartoon na, Mighty Raju.
तो जिसके पास ताकत है वो सही है, अक्षर से अनुवाद ये हुआ, चाहे वो गांव का जमींदार हो। Start, Sarika.
जी, we all are experiencing this idiom from the beginning. Might is right. हम लोग शुरू से इस idiom को एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं कि जिसकी लाठी होती है उसी की भैंस होती है, जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस। अपर्णा।
It is true. Whenever you have a power, you should have a power that you can say might is right. Ritu?
Should I?
Yes, Renu, please.
The people who are in power, most of the people, when they blessed with the power, they always misuse might is right. जब वो कोई भी व्यक्ति पावर में आता है वह इस माइट और जिसकी लाठी उसी की भैंस का दुरुपयोग करता है। रितु?
When sir gives me 3D, I always that use that idioms. Might is right. जब भी सर मुझे 3D देते हैं मैं यही इडियम यूज करती हूँ. Might is right. जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. पूनम.
All right. Poonam. Yes.
In my neighborhood, one of my maid has taken a loan from her where she works. So because of loan, she always takes so much work from her because might is right. She always use his money power there.
Okay. Guys, uh, I have already given you so many sentences together. So please tell me who made the last sentence yesterday.
Sir, I made the last sentence yesterday.
So ask Sarika who has to make this sentence.
Who has to make this second one sentence? पंडित जी पालथी मारकर बैठे हैं.
I had to make this sentence.
Okay, Bobby, be my guest.
Uh, this sentence belongs to present continuous tense, and this is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is Pandit Ji. Later on, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is okay, the priest. Priest is then later on, I will take the first form of the verb sit, and I will put the ing with sit.
पूनम
Uh,
एक बार साथ में बोलो. Later on, I will take
Later on, I will take
the first form of the verb,
the first form of the verb sit.
and the first form of the verb is.
Okay, the first form of the verb is sit, and I will put the ing with the first form of the verb. So double T. So, sitting.
Come again.
SI double TING sitting.
Thank you. इसको बोलेंगे
Later on,
कैसे एक बार सारिका बताएं.
जी sir. Later on, I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is sit. Thereafter, I will put ing with the first form of the verb. नहीं अच्छा वो बताना. हाँ, later on I will put ing along with t.
later on, I will take the preposition with conjunction,
Preposition.
conjunction, conjunction, like preposition with,
Okay, go ahead.
and then I will take the adjective, and the adjective is folding legs. Pandit ji is sitting with folding legs.
Which conjunction did you use, Poonam?
She is left, sir.
Uh, she is disconnected by mistake.
She has come again.
Have you ever heard cross leg, ladies?
Yes, sir. Whenever we sit back of the गाड़ी, तो we always say that a cross leg.
लेकिन वहां पे क्रॉस लेग ऐसा होता है.
Sir, when we
हाँ.
do yoga na, so we sit with the cross legged. Sir, can I share one thing? Sir, yesterday na, I googled for the word for palthi marna. So I got the verb squat. SQUAT, squat.
Spot, yes.
Should I make this sentence with the squat?
It is verb or what? Adjective.
Sir, it is verb. And the second form of squat is squatted. Double TED.
तो एक सेंटेंस बना के बताओ. What is? Have you seen the Hindi meaning of squat?
Yes, sir. And the
What?
Hindi meaning of squat is palthi marna.
So
And-
when anybody is in action, we can use a squat.
Sir, there is a one exercise of squat ना, squat मारते हैं ऐसे, बोलते हैं ना, squat करते हैं जिम में. Sir, just for nothing, I searched the palthi marna because I did not know the verb. So cross-legged I know. So just for nothing, I googled it and I got this verb.
Did you share? No.
No, I haven't shared yet. So
I
should
will-
I share?
Please share it today. I will check it. How can we use it? You must have seen some examples as well. So I will also confirm. For the time being, let's use this. And before going ahead, let me ask one weird question. You will be surprised why am I asking you this question. हाथ उठाइएगा. कलर टीवी किस किस के यहाँ है? वैसे तो अब जमाना बदल गया है, सभी के यहाँ होगा. फिर भी हाथ उठाइए. ओके. तो दोस्तों आज इसको ठीक कर लेते हैं. ये जिस तरह से हम 20 सेंटर में बोलते आ रहे हैं, कुल टोटल कितना हुआ, फिर से रिपीट करना है ना. ये सड़क कहाँ जाती है. दिस ऑल कलर इज ए नाउन. एवरी कलर इज एन एडजेक्टिव बट कलर इज ए नाउन. रंग. तो अगर हम उसका अनुवाद करके देखें तो रंग टीवी किस किस क्या है, ये ऐसा नहीं. Colored, rangin. And guys, see here, the similarity here. You will find here two very beautiful things. One, G doubled here, as you can see. तो क्रॉस लेग्ड. अगर दोस्तों आपको किसी को बोलना है कि वो लूला है, सॉरी लंगड़ा है, तो हाउ विल यू से वह लंगड़ा है? वह लंगड़ा है.
सर वो लेम बोलते हैं ना, लेम.
He is lame.
एक तो सीधे सीधे शब्द मौजूद है डिक्शनरी में, लेकिन यहाँ जो हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं उससे अप्रोच करके
He is
one-legged.
वन लेग,
Single-legged.
वन लेग्ड, सिंगल लेग्ड. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं.
हाँ,
वह
एक रेस होती है one-legged.
वह
One-eyed.
है.
One-eyed man.
वन आइड मैन। वह लूला है,
वन हैंड
वन
मैन।
हैंडेड मैन।
कभी हमेशा अरे सिंगल हैंड गाड़ी है यार,
सिंगल हैंडेड गाड़ी।
यह सिंगल हैंडेड गाड़ी।
रेस होती है ना सर,
सेकेंड
वन
हैंडेड
लेगेड
गाड़ी है,
रेस। वन
सेकेंड
लेगेड
हैंडेड ना।
रेस, हाँ।
वन लेग्ड रेस।
वन लेगेड रेस, हाँ।
और यहाँ देख के अजीब अजीब तो जरूर लग रहा होगा कि लेग का कैसे प्रयोग करेंगे। तो दोस्तों कुछ क्रियाएं ऐसी होती हैं जो क्रिया की तरह प्रयोग होती नहीं है, लेकिन ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के आने के बाद इसका प्रयोग आपने हमारे मुंह से सुना भी होगा। यू आर लैगिंग, आपका चित्र अटक अटक के आ रहा है, रुक रुक के आ रहा है। एम आई लैगिंग। तो देखिए इस तरह से इसका टेक्निकल प्रयोग किया जा रहा है। तो वन आइड मैन, वन हैंडेड पर्सन, सिंगल हैंडेड, ये सब इसी तरह से बनते हैं। कलर्ड इज एन एडजेक्टिव, वन हैंडेड मैन इज एडजेक्टिव, वन आइड मैन इज एडजेक्टिव, वन लेग्ड। So let's start. Sarika, who is sitting cross-legged?
सर द प्रीस्ट इज सिटिंग क्रॉस लेग्ड।
हम हिंदी बोलेंगे इसमें दोस्तों। कौन पालथी मारकर बैठा है?
सर पंडित जी पालथी मारकर बैठे हैं। अपर्णा दी, हु इज सिटिंग क्रॉस लेग्ड।
The priest is sitting cross-legged. As it is, I have to say, na? Okay. The priest is sitting cross-legged.
दी कौन पालथी मारकर बैठे हैं?
पंडित जी पालथी मारकर बैठे हैं। रेणु भाभी, who is sitting cross-legged? You are mute, Bhabhi.
Should I say as it is or should I change the subject?
Now you can change the subject.
Aparna, I am sitting cross-legged.
कौन पालथी मारकर बैठा है?
अपर्ना, मैं पालथी मार के बैठी हूँ। Okay. Poonam, who is sitting cross-legged?
The girl is sitting cross-legged to do pranayam.
कौन पालथी मारकर बैठा है?
रेणु, वो लड़की पालथी मारकर बैठी है प्राणायाम करने के लिए। ऋतु, who is sitting cross-legged?
Well, Poonam, I think the beggar is sitting cross-legged.
ऋतु, पालथी मारकर कौन बैठा है?
पूनम, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बैगर पालथी मारकर, भिखारी पालथी मारकर बैठा है। Sir, who is sitting cross-legged?
See, Ritu, all the students of yoga class are sitting cross-legged. Complete the
Sir,
process.
कौन पालथी मारकर बैठा है?
देखो रितु, वो योगा क्लास के सभी बच्चे पालथी मारकर बैठे। दोस्तों कल जैसा फिर से हम एक अभ्यास दे रहे हैं आपको। इसमें सिटिंग को आपको नहीं चेंज करना है, बाकी जो आपकी मर्जी हो वो चेंज कीजिएगा। हम एक प्रश्न दाग के पानी लेने जा रहे हैं, आप पूरा राउंड खेलिए। सारिका, इज गुड्डू सिटिंग ऑन द टॉप?
Yes, no sir, he is not sitting on the top.
क्या गुड्डू सबसे ऊपर बैठा है?
नहीं सर, वो सबसे ऊपर नहीं बैठा है।
दोस्तों ध्यान दीजिएगा, अगर कल कोई एब्सेंट था तो सारे ये वाक्य बन रहे हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में, लेकिन इसमें प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस की पहचान यानी रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, इसलिए हिंदी कर रहे हैं हम।
what sort of Aparna di, what sort of posture are they sitting?
What sort of posture
Posture are
in
they sitting?
in
हाँ,
In
इनसे
हाँ,
शुरू करो।
in what sort of posture are they sitting?
इसका एक उदाहरण दे रहे बच्चों। बचपन से अपन किसी न किसी बच्चे से पूछते हैं इन विच क्लास आर यू, वही है।
Should I repeat my question?
no, they
No,
are
no.
sitting in cross-legged posture. Okay, Renu Bhabhi, uh, how long can you sit? Nee, how long is she sitting cross-legged?
You will be surprised, Aparna. She is sitting for 3 hours in cross
In
leg.
cross-legged. वह कितनी देर से क्रॉस लेग में बैठी है?
आपको यह सुनकर आश्चर्य होगा अपर्णा, वो 3 घंटे से क्रॉस लेग में बैठी है, पालती मार के बैठी है।
अमेजिंग।
यहाँ तो बैठना ही नहीं होता।
सच्ची।
ओके, सो पूनम, who is नहीं, how many girls are sitting on the terrace?
Renu, no one is sitting on terrace. In the
कितनी
terrace.
लड़कियां छत पर बैठी हैं?
रेणु, छत पर कोई भी लड़कियां नहीं बैठी हैं।
ओके
ओके, रितु।
Yes, Poonam.
Why is the girl sitting in cross-legged?
Girls are sitting.
Sorry, the girl.
Sorry,
Why
Bhabhi.
is-
Sorry, Punam.
Why the girl is sitting cross-legged?
Sorry, again.
Why is the girl sitting cross-legged?
The girl is
Girls. Sorry, girls ले रहा है, वो गर्ल बोल रहे हो?
Girl,
girl
only
बोल रहे
single
ना।
girl.
Girl is
Why
sitting on
is
cross
the
leg because she is feeling comfortable. लड़की पालथी मारकर बैठी है क्योंकि वो आराम महसूस कर रही है। Aparna, I am asking you, do you think is Poonam is sitting heighted
Sorry.
sofa?
So sorry. Come again.
Do you think is Poonam sitting on heighted sofa?
Yes, of course. I think so. She is sitting on hydrate sofa.
अपर्णा, क्या तुम सोचते हो ऐसा कि पूनम थोड़े हाइटेड सोफे, मतलब ऊंचाई वाले सोफे पे बैठती है? बैठी है,
हुई है।
बैठी हुई
हुई है। हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो ऊंचे वाले सोफे पे बैठी हुई है और उसका मोबाइल नीचे रखा है, तो स्ट्रेस ऑन हर नेक।
देखो ऋतु, तुमने अनजाने में हाइटेड शब्द यूज किया ना, वो ऐसे ही।
यस,
हाईटेक।
हाइटेड, ईडी लग गया।
हाईटेड, हाँ हाईटेड।
अब कभी सोच के देखो कि फिर इस क्रिया को हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में कैसे यूज करेंगे और प्रेजेंट सिंपल में, तो ऐसा नहीं है। हर क्रिया आप सेंटेंस में प्रयोग नहीं कर सकते। और एक मजेदार बात सुनिए, हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं रेमंड्स, शूटिंग एंड शर्टिंग। अब अगर आईएनजी लग रहा है तो क्रिया तो होगी ही। लेकिन क्या हम उसको रेगुलर यूज में ला सकते हैं? नहीं। हाँ, उसका एडजेक्टिव जरूर हम प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, सूटेड बूटेड, मतलब सूट पहने हुए, जूते पहने हुए, सूटेड बूटेड। तो इस तरह हम, लेकिन हर टेंस में अगर हम चाहे कि आपको लिखवा दें, लिखो फर्स्ट फॉर्म सूट, सेकंड फॉर्म सूटेड, या शर्ट सेकंड फॉर्म शर्टेड, तो फिर वैसे प्रैक्टिकल नहीं होगा। लेकिन इसके इस तरह से एडजेक्टिव आप चीजों को देखते रहिए, इस दृष्टिकोण से बहुत मजा आएगा। Guys, are you satisfied with the practice of sitting? Should we go
Sir,
ahead?
should
हाँ,
I ask one more question? Okay. Sir, should I ask to you? Okay. Sir, did you notice did you notice in which asana is Baba Ramdev sitting?
आधना,
आसन in which
आसन,
asana? इंग्लिश में सर फिर वो आसना बोल देंगे ना,
आसना,
कि आसन बस चलेगा?
asana is correct. Asana is correct. Because when we write in Roman, तो शब्द को कंप्लीट करने के लिए आखिरी में ए लगाना होता है। रामा, कृष्णा, रामायण, विवेकानंदा। I really don't know, Sarika, in which asana he is sitting.
Sir, he is mostly is using Padmasana, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
mostly
mostly
sits
he's
in
sitting.
Padma. He
Actually,
sits with Padmasana.
yeah, there is a theory of sitting in Padmasana. Once we will discuss, I will tell you.
Sometime he sits in Vajrasan.
Sometimes he sits in Vajrasan. Yeah, and Vajrasan is very helpful for our digestion.
Yes, yes.
Vajrasan is only the asana which can be used after eating.
Eating.
Yes, after food.
My
it
papa
is
used to
said,
do this.
actually, it is said that when somebody takes heavy meal or anything like that, then he or she should sit in Vajrasan to
For
make the diet
5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Yeah.
Renu Bhabhi, my papa used to sit on Vajrasan after meal. I have seen him
Acha,
regularly.
see, okay, one of my brother's beta, matlab bhatija, na?
Son.
So yeah, so he always from birth, by birth he is sitting in Vajrasan only. He sits like that wherever he sits, na? Well, he sits like that. He is very, very, very thin and overactive.
And you know, this is the
I think
custom in
Japanese
Japan and China.
Japanese
Japan,
and Chinese.
they always sit
They
in
always sit
Vajrasan
this.
whenever they have meal.
And you know what? Japanese longevity, I think they are living for more than 100 years, just because of their eating habits and the yoga they are following.
Actually, they consume
Lukewarm water.
less
lukewarm
salt
water, always.
and lukewarm water.
And sir, my husband once he was been to China. There also it is the concept of having half a cup of lukewarm water throughout the day. They will not have repeatedly tea or anything, coffee, nothing like that. Plain. They will offer that plain lukewarm water to everyone.
We don't want to live 100 years.
See,
So
it
cold
is
water
not.
is okay.
Ritu, it is not in our hand. As we follow and it is like what we follow, it is the destiny and it is God's hand ki our living, but whatever we live, we should live healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Years
don't
are
live
not
long,
countable.
but live
Health is very
live
important.
healthy.
So the health, jitna whatever years we are here on the planet, I want everybody enjoy your every moment of life. Just be happy and chill out every time and
Our
do
body
everything.
is like machine, so we have to care it.
Yes.
I just utilized the time.
क्या आप सो रहे हैं?
Whose go is this?
It's my go, I think. Okay, sir. I have to make this sentence. It is an affirmative sentence. This sentence belongs to present continuous tense. It is and WH. Inverted.
I will ask two questions in Hindi. अपर्णा कैसे पहचाना ये इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस?
सर इसके हिंदी वाक्य में शुरू में क्या आया, इससे मैंने पहचाना कि इन्वर्टेड.
इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने का नियम बताइए.
इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस बनाने का नियम है, इसमें सब्जेक्ट के बाद वाले शब्द को उठाकर सब्जेक्ट के पहले रख. Firstly, I will take the inverted word, and the inverted word is are. Helping verb. Yeah. Firstly, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is are. Later on, I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Then I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is sleep. And I will add the ing with the sleep. Then I will put the question. And the sentence is, are you sleeping? क्या आप सो रहे हैं?
Do not speak the sentence, ladies. We are going to make the next sentence, then we will have a questioning and answering. So whose go is this?
Sir, mine.
Please go ahead.
नहीं, मैं तो बस लेटा हूँ. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस ना सर? ओके. दिस सेंटेंस, नहीं मैं तो बस लेटा हूँ. दिस सेंटेंस will related to present continuous tense. It is a negative sentence. Firstly, I will take the negative word no. Then I will take the subject I. Thereafter, I will take the helping verb am. Then I will take the adverb just. Later on, I will take the word verb, first form of the verb, that is lay, and I will add ing along with that. The
Spelling of
spelling
lay.
laying, laying. At the end, I will put I will take the object, and the object is down. No, I am, and the sentence is no, I am just laying down. Laying, sir. Down नहीं आएगा.
No, you can put if you want. There's no problem.
Okay. I am just laying. Okay. And the sentence is no, I am just laying.
What should Sarika? What should be the verb for अंडे देना?
Sir, the verb for अंडे देना should be lay.
अगला सवाल किसी और से पूछो.
जी. Aparna di, what should be the second form of lay?
The second form of lay should be laid. LAID. ऐसा कुछ है. Laid. Renu Bhabi, what should be the third form of lay?
The third form of lay should be laid. LAID. लेटना. Okay. Poonam, what should be the verb for लेटना?
The word for लेटना should be lay. Ritu? Okay. What is the second form? What should be the second form of lay? Okay.
This is wrong.
What?
Ask what should be the verb for late.
Okay. What should be the word for letna?
The verb for letna should be lie down.
अगला सवाल पूछ लो रितु.
Sarika, what is the spelling of lie down?
The spelling of lie should be L-I-E. Aparna di, what should be the second form of lay? Lie. Lie. Lie.
Lie.
Lie. What should be the second form of lie? Renu Bhabhi, what should be the second form of lie?
The second form of lie should be late. L-A-I-D. Light.
I was mute, yeah. I did not recognize.
Lie. The second form of okay. What is the spelling of lie, Aparna? Second
Lay.
form of
The spelling of lay is L-A-Y. Lay. Okay, Ritu, what should be the third form of lie?
I think the third form of lie should be lay. L-A-Y. Lay.
Ritu lane है L-A-I-N.
Yes, fine. Lane.
तो दोस्तों इस सेंटेंस का क्या अर्थ हो जाएगा? आई एम जस्ट लेइंग.
सर यहाँ लेइंग की स्पेलिंग L-Y-I-N-G होनी चाहिए.
आई एम जस्ट, इसका क्या अर्थ हो जाएगा जो लिखा हुआ?
अंडा दे रही हूँ. नहीं, मैंने अंडा दिया या मैं अंडा दे रहा हूँ.
मैं तो बस अंडा दे रहा हूँ. ये गलती सबसे होती है, इसलिए हम ये लिखवाते हैं इस समय. और अब हम यहाँ पे चेंज करते रहे. तो Renu was making this sentence. Put this.
No, I'm just lying.
Renu, you have to complete it with the help of this.
Sir, I have to complete this.
You made this sentence, right?
Yes. Okay. Later on, I will take the word lie, and I will add ing along with that, and the spelling is L-I-E-I-N-G. Line. At the end, I will put the full stop, and the sentence is no, I am just lying. L-I-E-I-N-G. Lying.
Okay. Poonam, do you agree with this spelling? Do you agree with this spelling?
Yes, sir. I am agree with this.
I am. बहुत बेइंसाफ. Aparna, do you agree with this spelling?
L-I-N-G हो जाएगा.
No, sir. I don't agree.
Ritu, what should be the spelling? Do you agree with this spelling or this spelling? Ritu, are you connected or disconnected?
Yes, sir, I'm connected right now. Please come again.
Do you agree with this spelling or this spelling?
Sir, upper one is correct. L
Good.
I.
अब तुम पूछो Aparna, did I ask you this question? Aparna, do you agree with this spelling or this spelling? Which spelling do you agree with?
Sir, I agree with upper one.
Upper one. And Poonam, again I'm asking you.
Sir, should I tell?
देखो सारिका तुमने you poked but I ignored it and nobody heard. This is very good thing. The people of this group is not very good listener, so it gave me a good chance to pull the leg.
Sir, should I?
Yes.
Sir, Lying line.
तो दोस्तों हम नियम तो यह है कि आखिरी में अगर ई होता है तो ई हटा के आईएनजी लगा देते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे अपन ने लगाया तो कैसा लग रहा है, अजीबोगरीब, लुकिंग वियर्ड, ये भी अच्छी नहीं लग रही, इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट लुकिंग गुड, इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट लुकिंग गुड। तो नियम ये कहता है कि अगर अंत में आई और ई हो तो वो वाई में बदल जाता है, आई और ई वाई में बदल जाता है। इट इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड, डोंट वरी। अगर अंत में आई और ई हो तो वो वाई में बदल जाता है और सीधे आईएनजी लगता है। मैं यहाँ ये भी मेंशन करना चाहूंगा दोस्तों, आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन वन मोर थिंग, that maybe nowadays they are using lay verb for Letna. It will do, no problem. We can accept it. I am going to give you one more latest verb here, just after some seconds after speaking this sentence. But wait for a little break. But to tell you the precise rule of using ing with this kind of verbs, I have created this sentence, and previous sentence was also created cross-legged. Sarika, I am just informing you. I have specially created this sentence because in this pretense I wanted to tell, I want to inform the students that color TV is wrong, colored TV is right, single-handed, double-handed, left-handed, he's left-handed person, blah, 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 heighted, and all. To discuss all these things, I have created some particular sentences, and you are now getting everything. So let's have a simple round. I'm asking the question to Sarika. Sarika, you have to give simple answer as written here. Sarika, are you sleeping?
No, sir, I am just lying.
सारिका सो रही हो क्या?
नहीं, मैं तो बस लेटी हूँ।
Okay.
जी, अपर्णा दी, आर यू स्लीपिंग?
No, I'm just lying down. Lying down.
हाँ, you can use down, no problem.
जी, क्या सो रही हैं आप?
नहीं नहीं, मैं जस्ट लेटी हुई हूँ। रेनू भाभी, आर यू स्लीपिंग?
No, Aparna, I'm just lying.
क्या आप सो रही हैं?
नहीं नहीं, मैं तो बस लेटी हूँ। पूनम, are you sleeping?
No, Renu, I'm just lying.
क्या आप सो रही हैं?
नहीं रेनू, मैं तो बस लेटी हूँ। रितु, Ritu, are you sleeping?
No, Poonam, I'm just lying down.
ऋतु क्या
पूनम
आप
यू आर
सो रही हैं? ऋतु क्या
नो,
आप सो रही हैं?
नहीं पूनम, मैं बस जस्ट लेटी हूँ. सर, आर यू लाइंग डाउन?
No, I'm sleeping. Good. अच्छा है, अच्छा है, अच्छा. Okay. Who
सर
will
लेकिन
ask
यहाँ पे
this?
लाए, सर ये लाइंग जो बोल रहे थे उसमें सर वो लाए मीन्स जो झूठ बोलने वाला लायर टाइप थोड़ा सा वो भी.
Very nice question. But the spelling you can see, the second form of झूठ बोलना is lied. अरे तुम लोग रोज नई नई वर्ब यूज करती हो, अभी अधिकतर क्रियाएं नहीं आई हैं क्या यूज करने में? प्रोसेस इस मतलब कुछ ना कुछ कहीं या तो हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस में कमी रह गई थी, वरना ऑफलाइन बैच में क्या होता है, एक बार बताने से वो प्रोसेस नॉन स्टॉप चलती चली जाती. तो रोज कम से कम 10 क्रियाएं प्रयोग में आती हैं, 10 बच्चे होते हैं कम से कम. तो वो बहुत जल्दी पूरी क्रियाएं 2 राउंड में, कम से कम 5-6 महीने के अंदर 2 या 3 राउंड हो जाते हैं. तो हर बच्चे के जहन में क्रियाएं अच्छे से बैठ जाती हैं. तो दोस्तों, पूनम का सवाल बिल्कुल सही है. हम फिर वही चीज कहेंगे, आई विल रिपीट द सेम थिंग अगेन. सी, इट इज नॉट actually it is the compulsion of British people, the English. Their language is very low. There are only 26 letters, alphabets. So they had to use all this. This is their compulsion, obligation, and sometimes it becomes confusion for the non-native learners. But if you find in the dictionary, you will find the same thing. You can consult, you must consult the dictionary if you get any doubt in your mind. You must consult the dictionary. You will find the same thing. And now, who will ask this question? Okay, I'm asking. Sarika, what should be the another verb for Ledna?
Sir, I really don't know.
Anybody knows? Aparna, I have seen one thing in your house which is used frequently by Chimu or Naveen ji.
The couch.
Recline. अच्छा हाँ, recliner sofa and recline.
Ask the second question.
जी. Aparna di, what should be the verb? What should be the second form of recline?
She is disconnected, I think, or network issue.
जी.
Ask somebody
The
else.
second form of recline should be reclined. Poonam, what is the spelling of reclined?
The spelling of recline should be RECLINED. Reclined. Ritu, what should be the third form of recline?
The third form of recline should be same as second, recline.
Okay. एक राउंड और खेलते हैं लेडीज विद दिस वर्ब. दिस इज लेटेस्ट वर्ब.
अच्छा,
सारिका,
इसी से रिक्लाइनर बनाना, रिक्लाइनर सोफा. I am having recliner.
Sir has already said this. You were not present that time. Sir has addressed this to you.
Sarika, are you sleeping?
No, sir. I'm just reclining.
सो रही हो क्या?
नहीं सर, मैं तो लेटी हूँ. Aparna di, are you sleeping?
No, Sarika, I'm reclining. Renu Bhabhi, are you sleeping?
No, Aparna, I'm reclining. Poonam, are you sleeping?
No, Renu, I'm just reclining. Ritu,
Yes,
Ritu, are you reclining? Sorry, are you sleeping?
no, I'm just reclining.
तो
सर
क्या आप सो रही हैं?
नहीं, मैं बस जस्ट लेटी हूँ. सर, आर यू सिटिंग?
Sitting?
Yes.
No, I'm standing. Okay, guys, it is 2:03. So, may I take your leave?
Sir, how can
अरे
we say?
प्रैक्टिस करना है यार. यहाँ पे तुम लोग पर्सनली ले लेते हो, कभी कभी ये सब रिमाइंडर के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. So, should we conclude the class?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.